Okay, I need some help trying to figure out what I'm doing wrong. If this sound tells you anything, please tell me. Yeah, I can't figure out what the hell's wrong. Let's see. The filter is not completely full of fuel, but it's got. I can't see that. Can I turn the torch on? No, I can't. Okay. Filter's half full of fuel. Don't know if I cut it wrong. I mean, the filter's not vertical because this hose, which is OEM, is too damn short for me to make that vertical, as far as I could tell. I mean, I could shorten this a little bit more, but it'd be cutting it pretty close. I don't know. Maybe I'll try that.